Hello everyone. This presentation is for the IEEE SMC 2020, and this conference is planned to hold in Toronto, Canada, but because the pandemic, we should to hold it as a virtual event. So my presentation topic is chaotic evolution algorithm with elite strategy in single objective and multi-objective optimization. So my name is Yan Pei and I'm from the University of Aizu, Fukushima, Japan. And first of all, let's introduce what is the chaotic optimization. So in the area scientific research area, it has the philosophy. So in our scientific research, we have the philosophy of the determinism, probability, and chaos. So in the concrete research area, for example, in the optimization, we should have corresponding three research methodology directed or guided by those three philosophies. So for the determinism, we have deterministic optimization method. And for the probability, we should have the stochastic optimization method. So the chaos is a third philosophy because the deterministic optimization method and stochastic optimization method is well developed in the optimization field. So what is the chaotic that is directed by the chaos theory? It is a promising research hint, idea, or philosophy, I think. So this work is we talk about the chaotic optimization method. So what is the chaotic optimization method? Here is an example. We call the chaotic evolution algorithm. The left side is a individual group we call the population. And each mesh, for example, this right mesh, we call a target vector. It is a vector. And the left side is a contour of a continuous optimization domain. And first, we initialize some randomly point in this search area. And then we need a chaotic system. For example, in this work, we use a logistic map as a chaotic system. And from this chaotic system, we randomly choose two parameters and give a disturb to the target vector to make a mute vector. And we conduct a crossover operation between the target vector and the mute vector to create a chaotic vector. And now we evaluate the fitness of target vector and chaotic vector. If the chaotic vector's fitness is better, we keep as it is. And if the chaotic vector's fitness is the better, we use the chaotic vector to replace the target vector. And we do the next same operation to the next individual. And after the whole individual was applied the same operations, then we finish the one generation evaluations. And for the several generations, we may find the global optimum. So this algorithm, each individual is simulate the chaotic movement in each dimension and simulate the chaotic ways to search. So we called it a chaotic evolution algorithm. And in this work, because we can see that the original version of the chaotic algorithm is not used any fitness landscape informations. So the elite individual is such a kind of fitness landscape information. So in this proposal, the graph showed the left side is the original one. Each individual search separately, but for the proposal, the right figure, we only search the elite, around the elite, search around the elite, and to check how about this algorithm's performance. But there is a problem that if we only search the best region in the search space, there will be or have the high possibility to drop in the local optimum. So we design a jump strategy. That means we apply this elite strategy not every generation, but several generation one time. This means the jump strategy. So we evaluate these two strategies. First, the elite strategy, and second, the elite plus the jump strategy to evaluate our proposal and to check how about this performance. Now let's see some result. For the single objective optimization problem, we apply the proposal method, the proposed method to the uni-mode problem, and we can see some of them really is not efficient. This mark shows is significant bad, and this mark shows the significant better. Some of the case will drop in the local optimum. It is true, but for some cases, for in the uni-mode problems, it get the better performance. And here shows the multi-mode problems. Most of them, all of them, has the significant better performance. Please check this blue lines is the elite plus jump strategy. And from the statistical test, we use the Wilkerson sign test to compare with the differential evolution. The base vector use the random vector. And for some case, the single, the uni-mode case and the multi-mode case have the better performance than the competitive algorithm. This is for the single objective optimization problem. We can get this conclusion. The elite strategy and elite plus jump strategy in chaotic evolution algorithm can accelerate or enhance the original version of the algorithm from this statistical test. But the chaotic evolution not only has the power optimization capability in the single objective optimization problem, but also it can use or implement in the multi-objective optimization problems. And for the multi-objective optimization problems, we introduced two strategy. The first is the no-dominate sort, and the second is crowding distance to select the individual into the next generation. and use the chaotic evolution as the basic search method in this algorithm. So for the multi-objective chaotic evolution, it has the base search algorithm. It is the chaotic evolution. And we use the no dominant sort, only the first palatal frontier individual will be involved into the next generation search. And when the rank is the same, we use the crowding distance matrix to select the same rank into the next generations. So this is the three method or three technical of the multi-objective chaotic evolution. And now let's check some result. We can see the right point. We choose some of the individual from the first generation, the 10th generation, the 100 generations, and we check the right individual is always located in and will be and is, not will be, it is the first palatal frontier. So the elite strategy and elite plus jump strategy is also efficient in the multi-objective problem. So let's make a summary. In this work, we investigate the elite strategy in the chaotic evolutionary algorithm. For solve the local optimization problem, we use the elite strategy and elite plus jump strategy to implement two methods for the evaluation. And we evaluate the both the proposal in both single and multi-objective optimization problem. And for those two problems, the proposal is efficient and can enhance the original version of the chaotic evolution algorithm. The third, we found the proposal is significant accelerated algorithm convergence in both single and multi-objective problem. And we will investigate, for example, in our algorithm, we have the crossover rate and the crossover method, and the direction rate and the direction rate setting method, and the chaotic system to enhance the chaotic evolution optimization performance in our future work. So if you interested in what is the chaotic optimization algorithm, or how to use the chaotic ways in the optimization problem, so let's do something together. And thank you so much.